Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. I decided to film a short video how I tarnish my pieces. Today we will concentrate only on copper because the way how I tarnish copper and sterling silver, there is a little difference between them. So let's only focus on copper today. So all we needed is liver of sulfur. This is the product I use all the time. And this bottle will probably last me for 2.5 years because you need it only teeny tiny drop. For copper I also use coffee grinds. After I use my I brew coffee this morning, so all I have to do, I just use like 2 spoons of the coffee. And just a tiny amount of liver sulfur there. And you need extra hot water, boiling water, fresh boiled water. So I will just use it. It smells so bad. I usually wait until the pieces are completely black. And you can see it, it's instant. The next thing I do, just warm water with the baking soda. With the baking soda in it, because that will stop the process. It's a neutralize and stop oxidation. That's what baking soda does. After you do this, remove your jewelry. And I use baking soda water in liver of sulfur. It neutralizes the chemical, so it's safe for environment. Because I really care about environment, flowers and all things. So now it will be safe to just dump it wherever you want. Even outside, some people believe it's good for tomatoes. I never did that, or flowers, but I know it's safe to dispose this container now. And now all you have to do is just polish your jewelry. So everybody also doing differently. I usually dry them, and all I use is all kinds of brushes. You can use water with soapy water and just brush it under your, go to your sink with the water, just brush it to the extent that you like, how you like your jewelry to be. But it's give you nicely chocolatey patina when you use a little bit of coffee. So the the polishing is the most annoying part. You have to polish all the sides to extend how you want it, and then you will be ready to protect your copper. When you polish, I would recommend to use any kinds of gloves, because the oil from your skin will make marks on the metal. So now this is the part when you take your gloves, polish, dry it, and then put protection on if you're using protection. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it's helpful. Any questions, please leave the comments and I will answer. Thank you so much.